Okay guys, this is just a follow-up on my homemade in the basement greenhouse. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to show you when I get upstairs all the peppers that I picked. So far, everything looks good. I got to cut the bad leaves off the banana tree. We got fresh shoot on the pimento tree. I got fresh shoot. Guinea trees coming along. Pine tree, not doing bad, doing good. But look, all the leaves are gone off the June plum tree, but the June plums are hanging in there. They're hanging in there. Ginger's hanging in there. Mango. East Indian mango, they're getting fresh shoot. Avocado trees getting fresh shoot too. See? AKA pear. The aloe, fresh shoot. As you can see, fresh shoot, which is a good sign. This is the ghost pepper. They're coming along nice. Jackfruit tree, getting fresh shoot. Everything's coming along real good. This is just an update. My little indoor wilderness. Alrighty. I'll give you an update on this in another month. Thanks for watching, guys.